After you've chosen your commercial Blendtec blender, you're going to need the right jars for your operation. Each of these jars were designed with a particular blending task in mind. And we're going to go through the features of each of these so you can find the perfect jars for your business. Most blender jars have 4 sides, but the Blendtec Wild side has an additional 5th side. And this 5th side is going to help you blend faster and more efficiently. This 5th side is going to help prevent blender cavitation. Cavitation is when an air pocket forms around the blender blades and your food stops blending. But this 5th side is going to help prevent that without the use of a tamper. Blendtec's Wild Side jar is their largest jar, and this is going to be great for front of the house and back of house operation. For front of the house, this is perfect if you're going to make multiple batches of drinks in a single blend. And for back of the house, this is the blender jar I'd absolutely recommend. Its larger size is going to be perfect if you're going to do big batches of dressings, sauces, and even blended soups. The Blendtec Wild Side does come in multiple colors. That's great if you want to separate them for food allergens or if you just want to keep your establishment organized. The Foresight Jar is going to be best for smaller batches. If you're going to be mostly doing single servings of smoothies, cocktails, or coffee drinks, the Foresight Jar is going to be a great option. You can also use the Foresight Jar in the back of the house. It will still make great sauces, soups, and dressings. The Blendtec Twister Jar is mostly going to be used for back of the house operations. The Twister Jar was designed for very thick foods. So if you're going to be making your own peanut butter or almond butter or anything like basil pesto or hummus, the Twister Jar is going to handle tasks like that. The Twister Jar's arms will scrape the sides and push food back down into the blades so you get an optimal blend. The Frothing Jar actually doesn't do any blending, but instead froths and aerates the food that you put into it. This has many front of house and back of house applications. For the front of the house, you can make cold milk foams, including non-dairy milk foams for coffee drinks. You can even make muddled cocktails in here. Blendtec does offer a few different lid options for their blender jars. If you have a blender model that does not have a sound enclosure, you're going to need the Latching Lid. This Latching Lid offers a secure grip, and it does have an opening at the top to where you can add in ingredients as your blender is blending. This will also work with sound enclosure models. The other lid style Blendtec offers are the flat lids. These flat lids should only be used if you have a sound enclosure model. There are 2 styles, the hard and the soft lid. The hard lid is easy and quick to remove. The soft lid offers a more secure grip. If you're going to be making blends back to back like at a smoothie shop, the hard lid is much faster to remove. If you're looking for cleaner operation with less chance for spills, the soft lid is a great option with its tighter seal. No matter which commercial Blendtec blender you choose, these jars are going to work with them. Blendtec has made these jars universally compatible across their commercial lineup. All of these blender jars also have a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, and they have a lifetime warranty on their blender blade. These are also all made of a BPA-free material that is incredibly durable. When you're ready to outfit your business with Blendtec, be sure to head over to everythingkitchens.com and you can see all of the Blendtec models that we offer. If you still need more help or have any questions about Blendtec, please give us a call at our headquarters and we'll happily help you out.